Well, if you're a beginner and wondering how to do well on IELTS sentence completion reading, this is a video for you. Here, I would like to show how to do well on IELTS sentence completion reading. Well, if you're a beginner, this is the right place because we are not doing with academic one, but we are rather doing with general training one. Because since it's much easier, much beginner friendly, and the vocabulary is really easy as well as the grammar. Well, let's get started. On the way, I'll show you how to do it in a right way. So, as you can see, we have from 15 to 21. I have to find words. First of all, pay attention here. No more than 2 words. Okay, no more than 2 words, and we have to find these ones each. So most of the time it goes by order. So sales letters should be sent to the in a company to someone in a company. Okay, let's start. Sending sales letter or directly to company that might want to do business with you. Okay, one important factor is who contact you can build response business impact made influence sales. So okay, I think it's pure sense of business. You must start selling your question. Sending a sales letter directly to companies that might want to do business with you. Market from your own research to testing response. You can contact this broker and by companies. If you are contacting business, it's important for businesses. If it's important to address a letter is it can be used as a letter should be sent. Okay, this letter to decision maker. Okay, let's hear it's given. It's a decision maker. Okay, let's make it here. Decision maker. Okay, and then your letter should make as much as possible. Okay, you say you need maximum impact. Your letter should make as much as it's here saying it's a maximum, and of course we know that the generally paraphrase sentence, so I'm gonna say impact here. Impact. It's like just saying your letter should make as much impact as possible. Okay, the reader's attention needs to be caught by the okay, we don't forget this your letter it can. So to achieve points, you have no more than 2 seconds from when the reader starts the letter to convince them to continue. If you fail, they will throw it away. So opening is crucial. Opening is crucial to attract attention. Okay, the reader's attention needs to be caught. Crucial, the opening. So let's gonna make it opening. And the letter should be sent in. Okay, and so that they don't lose interest, avoid having too much text. Try to send each mailing in a white envelope. Try to send each in a white. So letters should be sent in, as you can see here, white envelope. White envelope. So as you can see, this is really easy one. If you have a sentence completion in your IELTS reading, consider yourself lucky, because I don't know why, but I find this one the most easy out of all parts. Not only because it was training, even if it's academic it would be much easier, but just it's this video to serve properly for beginners, I chose this general training. And just let me know which part you consider the easiest in the comments. Okay, so we can discuss it. So it's best to print and don't forget this articles, because we can find with it here in 2 or more colors. Okay, so it's cheaper to use brown envelope. It might be cheaper to use a brown envelope, but it doesn't make anyway. You can include a brochure depending on volume on whether you can afford the cost. Right, there's at least 2 color printing for this. So by this they mean include a brochure. Okay, let's say a brochure. It's best to print the brochure. Okay, and then consider sending, as this is more effective than the picture. Consider, because so however interests your potential clients in buying, they will only do so if it can be done easily. So include an order form for details of how to. Okay, I think I skipped a part. So it's not here. Okay, it might be worth enclosing a free sample. This is much greater inconvenience than photograph. So consider much effective than pictures. So it's here saying it's from photograph. So I got a free sample. Alright, free sample. Okay, here, free sample. You can know that when you skip the answer, you can just go back because you may skip it easily. Don't worry about that. You should calculate to your letter. Okay, when you receive your response rate and monitor sales. Assess. Here's the keyword: assess your response rate. Response rate instead of calculate your response rate. Let's rate response rate. So as you can see, we are done with the exercise. I don't think it took more than 7 or 8 minutes. Well, now I'm going to pause the video. I'll check with this, and then I'm going to turn the video on back again. Okay, as you can see, we have all the answers correct, and it wasn't that hard, as I mentioned, because it's much for beginners. And if you like the video, please subscribe and follow for more, because in the coming videos I'll try to focus on more beginners and write more letters. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.